Hello everyone. So today's video is about reported speech, right? So here we will see how to write the reported speech, okay? So we generally use a reporting verb like say or tell, okay? If this is in the present tense, right? If this is in the present tense, while converting the sentences into report speech, you always go for the verbs like say or tell, right? So see an example for directed speech. I like ice cream. Okay. So what about the reported speech? So the conversion would be she says. Okay. So you can also use that there. She says she likes ice cream, right? So we do not change the tense. So whenever we are converting, okay, direct to indirect, that is reported speech, we do not change the tense, okay, though probably we did not need to change the person from I to she. For example, we also may need to change the words like my and your, okay. See ya. If the reporting verb is in the past tense, then usually we change the tenses in the reported speech. Okay, we can change the tense. Okay, when if the reporting verb is in the past tense. Okay, see the direct speech. I like ice cream. Okay, so what is the reported speech here? She said that she liked ice cream, right? Okay, so if the reporting verb, right? If the reporting verb is in the past tense, right? Okay, see here are in few examples, okay. So in present simple, so what would be the direct speech and what would be the reported speech? So let me read it for you. See, I like ice cream. She said that she liked ice cream. So what about present continuous? Okay, presently happening, that is I am living in London. How do you convert this into reported speech? She said, okay, she said that she was living in London, right? So past simple, okay. See here one more thing. Often we choose if we want to use that or not in English, okay. We have put those into brackets to show that it's optional. It's exactly the same if you use that or if you don't use that, okay. You can use and you can skip also. So what about past simple? That is in the past tense. I bought a car. It means I purchased a car. She purchased, okay. She said that she had bought a car. She said that she bought a car. So what about past continuous? I was walking along the street. She said that she had been walking along the street, okay. So what about present perfect? Okay, I haven't seen Julie, right? She said that she had not seen Julie, right? Then past perfect, I had taken English lessons before. She said that she had taken English lessons before. I will see you later. She said that she would see me later, right? So see, when we use different types of forms, okay, it keeps on changing in the reported speech. So I would help, but she said that she would help, but I can speak perfect English, okay. She said that she could speak perfect English, okay. I could swim when I was 4, right? She said that she could swim when she was 4. I shall come later. She said that she would come later, right? So these are some of the things, okay, which you need to know. So we don't need to change the present tense into past if the information is the direct speech is still true. But this is only for things which are general facts, and even usually we like to change the tense, right? Okay, see another example. The sky is blue. Okay, what is the reported speech here? She said that the sky was blue. Okay, so see here, here I have shared few links, okay. So you can go through those links and just please practice more about reported speech, okay. And one more thing I want to tell you, okay. See, one more example. If you see in the direct speech, where do you live? How can we make the reported speech here? Okay, in fact it's not so different from reported statements, okay. Even the tenses changes are the same, and we can keep the question word, But the very important thing that here is, once we tell the question to someone else, it isn't a question anymore, isn't it? So we need to change the grammar to a normal positive sentence. Okay, it's a bit confusing, see, but whenever a question is asked in the direct speech like where do you live, so how do you convert that? She asked me where I lived. Okay, she asked me where I lived. Suppose if I ask you where do you live, how will you tell that to other person, saying that she asked me where I lived? Okay, so the direct question is in the present simple tense. We make a present simple question with do or does. Okay, and then I need to change the verb to the past simple, that is I lived. She asked me where I lived. Okay, now see another example. Where is Julie? She asked me where Julie was. Same thing, the direct question, okay, is the present simple of be. We made the question from simple, okay, and then what we did, we kept the verb into the past simple, that is where is Julie? She asked me where Julie was. So we converted, okay, the simple present to past simple, that is past simple, right? See, here are few examples. Where is the post office, please? She asked me where the post office was. What are you doing? She asked me what I was doing. So here you can see that whenever there is a question mark, the tense may change, the verb form may change from present to simple past. Who was the fantastic man? She asked me who that fantastic man had been. Okay, so much for WH questions, much like if you need to report a yes or no question, we don't have any question words to help us. Instead, we can use if. Okay, see, do you like chocolate? So she asked me if I like chocolate. So whenever you have the question starting with do, okay, you can take help of if. Okay, so do you love me? He asked me if I loved him. Have you ever been to Mexico? She asked me if I had ever been to Mexico. Are you living here? She asked me if I was living here, right? So you can go through here and click for more practice exercises, okay, for WH and yes no questions. Am I right? Okay, see. So there are so many examples given here, okay. See, one more example. Sit down. She told me to sit down. Right? So go to bed. He told the child to go to bed. Don't worry. He told her not to worry. Be on time. He told me to be on time. Don't smoke. He told us not to smoke or do not smoke. Right? So there are so many examples here. Okay, see, it's Monday. Julie says I am leaving today. If I tell someone on Monday, I say Julie said she was leaving today. You can also write it like if I tell someone on Tuesday, I say Julie said she was leaving yesterday. You getting? So these kind of sentences are also very important. Okay, so see, here are table of some possible conversions. If there is a now in the directed speech, it is replaced by then or at the time. If there is a today in the direct speech, in reported speech you can replace that with yesterday, Tuesday. Okay, if there is an yesterday in direct speech, you can replace with the other things. See, this is these are again very important. Okay, so please make a note of it. Okay, write down all the examples of the reported speech. These are very important. Okay, and there is a weightage of 5 marks for this in your examination. 5 marks for this and 5 marks for active and passive voice. So please go through it. Okay, and we'll be seeing you soon. Okay, bye bye.